You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind.
Baby, hello. You're in the car. Here, let's unbuckle, yeah? Because we are at your pinsan's house. Yes, dito tayo sa bahay ng pinsan ni Nitro. Ayan, ito siya. Oh, okay. Okay, come on, let's get you out of the seat. Come on. Gotcha! Baby Nitro. Hello. So, andito tayo sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Birthday kasi ngayon ng pinsan ni Nitro. Anak niya, si Nyla. 1-year-old na siya. Wow, ikaw din. Malapit na mag-1-year-old, di ba, baby?
Oo, madumi kamay mo.
Madumi, hindi. Nagpa-painting kasi ako kanina ng mga miniatures para sa board game ko. Kaya madumi ang daliri.
Yeah. Can I hold Nitro?
Sige. Hello. Woohoo! Wow, it's a jumping castle. Woohoo! Hey, Blay.
You're so pretty. Are you going to uni?
Yeah.
You going to uni? Oh, hello, Nyla. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. She runs away. Hey, Romeo.
So happy.
Yes, he's stoked.
Is it your
You got a
birthday,
jumping
Mia?
castle.
Is it your birthday?
Whose birthday is it, Romeo?
Meow.
Is it Nyla's birthday?
So cute.
Who are you going to sing happy birthday
Look at
to?
him smiling.
Who are you going to sing happy birthday
Are
to,
you going
huh?
to show Uncle Dwaine how you jump on the jumping castle?
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Jump.
Jumping!
Jump.
Jumping! You just stand. Are you gonna jump, Romeo? Come on!
Jump.
Jump!
Go, go, go! Can you throw your balls really high?
Nahiya siya. Nahiya.
No.
Stop saying you jet. Hey, Nitro boy.
Alright, Nitro, ikaw na.
Oh my gosh.
Chuck him in.
Go,
He'll be
Nitro,
right.
go on.
Oh, look at him, he's jumping.
Woohoo! You're jumping now. Oh, Nyla, you're jumping. Hey, Nitro,
Oh,
what's that,
Nitro,
huh?
look at that.
What's that, baby?
Oh, sorry, Nyla.
Just be careful of Nitro, please, Romeo. It's so funny.
Nitro, hey, baby. Oh, wow, Nyla's standing up. Oh. Nyla's standing up. Nitro. Nitro. Woohoo. Wow, is that fun? Is that fun, baby? Is that fun? Hey? Nitro. Hey, hey.
Wow.
Yeah, what? What do you
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Oh, Sean doesn't have birthday.
The Nitro, he just stays there.
That's so funny. Nitro. Oi. Nitro. Hey, baby. Hey, Romeo. Nitro. Baby. Nitro. Baby. 88 kilo. Oh, Romeo's
Look at this dude.
Nitro. Hey, what's Romeo doing, huh? He's dancing. Hey. Yeah. Nitro. Hey.
It's like it's Mio's birthday.
Nitro. Oh, you having fun? Huh? Gusto mo yan? Oh. Hey, baby Nitro. Oh, is that fun? Oh, careful, careful, you'll fall.
No,
You'll
no.
fall. You fell down. You fell down. Nahulog. Nahulog ka. Nahulog siya pero hindi siya umiyak kasi he's having so much fun. Nalingaw siya dito. Tutuwa siya dito. Hey baby, uy, you're in the ball pit now, aren't siya? Yes. Nasa ball pit ka. Ano? Joe. Wow! Uh-oh, lalabas na siya. Lalabas na ang bebe. You're loving it there, aren't you, boy? Yes! You're loving it there, aren't you? Is that fun, guys? Sige, akyat na. Akyat na. Akyat na. Sige na. Sige, papasok na lang din ako. Oh! Uy, that is in the buffet with the baby. That is in the buffet. Yes, that is in the buffet. Oh, hello, Nyla. Hello. Pasok na. Yes, Romeo. Ano? Oh, it's the slide. Hindi ko naintindihan ang baby talk. Nitro. Saan ka pa papunta? Ha? Nyla. Tinatapon niya yung mga bola. Yes, naglalaro na ang baby Nitro. Yeheey! Nitro, naglalaro na. Hey, Romeo. Nitro wants to talk to you. Nitro, sige na. Akyat na. Akyat na. Ready? Akyat na. Akyat na. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Woo! Woo! Come on, get up! Taba-ching-ching kasi, mabigat eh. Oh! There you go. That's better, isn't it? Yes! Oh, see if Uncle Dwaine can get on. See if Tito Dwaine can kasya. Oh! Woo! Oh! You're on the jumping castle. You're on the jumping castle. Yes. Abu, 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 abu. Natutuwa siya talaga. Ngayon lang yan naranasan. Oh yes, Romeo. What do you want to do? Oh, you want to chuck the balls outside. Oh, hello, Nyla. Happy birthday, baby. Get on the slide, Nitro. Slippery slide tayo, ha? Slippery slide. Sige na. Ready? Slippery slide. Go! Go!
This my shit.
Nahulog siya eh. What happened, Nitro? You fell down. Si Romeo kasi nagba-bouncing. Oh, you're on the grass now with all the balls. Ayan, dito nakapunta si Nitro sa bike. Leta, ano bebe? Yes.
Nilutuan ako ni DJ.
Talaga? Ano yun? Omelette?
May chef ako.
Ang galing.
Sa loob.
Nitro like bounced down the slide like on his stomach, on his head and everything. But you survived, didn't you? Yes, you survived. Hey, baby.
Nope.
Oh no! No! You like the bike, do ya?
Yes, he loves the bike.
Where's your bike?
Hey. Oh, Nyla, you're patting Nitro on the back, are you? Nitro, saan ka pa pupunta? Saan ka pa pupunta, Nitro? Huh? You want to get out of the jumping castle? Yes. Lumabas na. Kaya mo yan, bebe. Nitro, kaya mo yan. Woohoo! You did it.
Wow! Nyla, man.
It's just I hired like dumping classes for kids and I just invited Dwaine,
Hi!
Shanta and Nitro.
Ano yun na si Ate Rigel?
Hi, follow Rijal.
Against the light pala.
Ako
Eating signs or whatever it is.
Ay,
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
hello, Instagram. Rijal Guandicho Designs. Lagyan mo dito, editor. Thank you.
Okay guys, uwi na tayo. Natutulog si Baby Nitro. It's 10 a.m. na. It's past his bedtime. Hey, yes. Say bye-bye, Tita MB. Say bye-bye. Hey, say bye-bye.
Tingnan nyo yung quit ni Nitro. My hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, MP. Show them your eyes.
No!
Why?
You don't do a close up.
What?
We've already got
You
close-ups of the
really
interview.
have nice.
I had makeup on in the interview.
No, but your eyes are so beautiful with
No.
your shirt.
No.
Ayaw niya.
It's always a bit hey.
Oh, ikaw na lang. Close up.
My eyes that are brown and everyone in the Philippines have these.
Yeah. Si Nitro din. I was hoping for him to get blue eyes like Hallie's and Grandma.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Nyla. Bye-bye, baby.
You say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Twins sila.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Oh!
Are you jealous?
Oh, kiss.
Ano na?
Oh, she's saying bye.
Bye.
Kiss Nitro. Kiss Nitro. Mwah! Good job. Can you flying kiss Nitro? Mwah! Flying kiss. Baby, flying kiss. Mwah! Mwah!
Yes, that's it, good boy. Blood kisses. Yes.
When I was putting him to bed, he wouldn't stop blowing kisses.
Oh, that's so cute.
Ayan, Dwaine fam. So, ganun yung mga first birthday party dito sa Australia.
Kami-kami lang.
Walang program, walang games, walang ganun.
Walang buffet.
Ano lang, pagkain, kakain ng mga adult, and yung mga bata, naglalaro lang.
Parang ganun din naman
Yun
sa
lang.
Pilipinas
Hindi,
Mas
pag
bongga
first
sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, mas bongga. May program, may games,
Yeah, may mga
mascot,
ano pa. Oh, yes, may mascot.
artistang guest, ganun. Dito, ano lang, maglalaro ang mga baby, tapos ang mga adult, kain-kain, usap-usap lang, yun lang. Yun lang.
Usap-usap lang, kain-kain lang. Yun lang.
Yes, yun lang yung party.
And so, uwi na tayo. Tingnan nyo sa harapan, ang ganda ng part na to. Ito yung favorite kong part pag pupunta kami dito. Diba, ang ganda. Thank you for watching this video. Ay, sa'yo pala to.
Yes.
I-close mo na.
Maraming salamat sa panonood, Dwaine fam, and we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now!
You're beautiful, charm.